Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install Nooku on your Windows desktop. Whether you're building your first web app or just getting familiar with Nooku, this guide will take you through each step. Let's dive in. Step 1. First things first, let's get you signed up. If you don't have a Nooku account, head to the sign up page on our website. You can easily register by filling out a few details. Now, let's move to Step 2, downloading Nooku. Once you're signed in, go to the download page, select the Windows version and click Download. Once the download's complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder, and we're ready for installation. Step 3. To install Nooku, just double-click the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. It's as simple as installing any other software. After installation, go ahead and launch Nooku from your desktop. Step 4. When Nooku opens for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in. Use the credentials you created during sign-up. If Nooku detects that you don't have Node.js or Git installed, don't worry, it'll prompt you to get them set up. Step 5. Let's handle Node.js first. Head to the official Node.js website, download the latest version, and follow the installation steps. Next, we'll do the same with Git. Visit the Git website, download the installer, and run through the setup process. After installing Node.js and Git, restart Nooku to apply the changes, and that's it. After restarting, you'll land on the Nooku dashboard. From here, you can start exploring, view your projects, and dive into your first app. You're ready to build. Nooku's all set up on your machine, and you can jump right in and start creating your next big project. Thanks for watching.